धर्मीक हिंसाचार वा झगडीं धर्मीक भावने खातीर जायनात. धर्म जेन्ना एखाद्या व्यक्तीची वळख जाता तेन्ना त्या वळखीचेर झगडीं जातात अशें मत नामनेचो विचारवंत डॉक्टर सुधीर कक्करान उक्तायलां. गोमंत विद्यानिकेतनाचे विचार वेद व्याख्यानमाळेंत धर्मीक हिंसाचार ह्या विशयाक धरून उक्तावणाच्या व्याख्यानांत तो उलयतालो. फॉमेंतो रिसोर्सिसाचे चेअरमॅन अवधूत तिमलोन व्याख्यानमाळेचें उक्तावण केलें.
Religious violence then, and again, has less to do with the clash of religious beliefs than with the clash of group identities based on religion. Each one of us, of course, has many group identities: family, religion, region, language, nation, and so on. The involvement of religious rather than other group identities does not dampen, but on the contrary, increases the violence of the conflict.
So I'm very happy to be here, to be a listener rather than a speaker. Most of us are getting out of Goa, or at least the new young talent, and there is a brain drain not just on the nation but also in Goa. Our speaker today is a brain gain because he chose Goa, as I was talking to him, to settle down in Goa, and he's a world figure in many ways. So one should invoke his time and seek his thoughts to possibly resolve some of our problems here, which are leading our society in a direction possibly not wanted by most of us.
पळोवया गोंयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
दिवचलच्या शांत स्वर ब्रह्म संगीत संस्था आणि कला अकादमीन मेळून दीनदयाळ सभाघरांत 7वें पंडित ब्रह्मानंद नायक स्मृती संमेलन घेतलें. संमेलनात गौरी नायक भटाच्या गितांची मैफल रंगली. आर्मी डे निमतान गोंयांत लश्कराच्या जवानांनी रक्तदान शिबीर घेतलें. कार्यावळ पणजेच्या मिलिटरी हॉस्पिटलांत जाली. शिबिरांत जवानांनी मोठ्या संख्येन रक्तदान केलें. राष्ट्रीय युवक दिनाक आल्तिना वेल्या धेंपो कॉलेजीन एड्स दुयेंसा विशीं जागृताय घडोवपी हमसे है नई शुरवात कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडली. कार्यावळींत गोंयच्या एड्स नियंत्रण सोसायटीन हातभार लायलो. विद्यार्थ्यांनी HIV आनी एड्सा विशीं जागृती घडोवपी तरेतरेचे पोस्टर तयार केले.
Today, on the occasion of National Youth Day, that is 12th January, it's celebrated as National Youth Day all over India to celebrate the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. And this year's theme is like Young Munch, Humse Hai Nayi Shuruaat, and it is mainly focusing on the stigma and discrimination faced about the HIV/AIDS people all over India.
That the slogan which they have chosen, that Humse Hai Shuruaat, हमसे है नई शुरुआत. So it's about, it tells us that we should start first, and it's a good thing that. And the everything which they told, like how it has been affected and how we have to be, means how we have to take precautions, and it's good. So we have to follow everything.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
36वे राष्ट्रीय सब ज्युनियर फुटबॉल सर्तींत गोंयान पश्चिम बंगालाक 2 गोलांनी हरोवन नेटान सुरवात केली. मॅच बाणावले ग्रावंडार जाली. यजमानाची फुडली मॅच कर्नाटका आड 17 तारखेर कुंकळे ग्रावंडार जातली.
but the performance of the team is very good. the main thing is the victory. In the first, we have collected 3 points. In the second game, I want my boys to be perform good, better than this is the first match.
इतल्याने खबराचे तरंगात सोंपता. पळयत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.